How are we doing?
We're doing very good.
Where are we going?
We're doing a concrete pour for Andy, my friend. We're on our way up now, getting there a little bit early. Setting my new tamp up, which I'm going to make.
Nice one.
Yeah.
We'll see what the job holds in a bit. This Galloway's Pie Shop. Never go in there. The most miserable staff on this planet. We're back on the job. KC the Maestro here. Now let's see how good you are at making a tamp. Well, he's got his screws out and everything now. He means business. Just cleared it all of the water. There was quite a bit of water line, so we took that out. We'll put one in the middle. There you go. Look at that, eh? No all, no bugger all.
No bugger all.
Manager. The screws.
Oh, it's the screw there.
Do you like that now?
Yeah.
Noisy though, isn't it? Yeah, if you're wondering why I've got these on, I've got tinnitus. Going action like that. There you go. And then what we'll do, we'll put some DPC on after that.
Bloody block.
Get looked after on some jobs here now. Look at what Suzanne's got us here now. Got a nice coffee from like a coffee shop and some fruit cake. KC, because it like KC's a fruit cake, can you?
Oh, yeah.
Do you know what I said then?
Yeah, you've not got all the water out of here.
Sometimes I think you just go. Yeah, I know. Sometimes I think you just agree with me. Oh yeah, you're claiming like you've got hot water right now?
I've done it all.
Right, where's your boots again? Dad, where's your boots?
Boots? Oh, there's a surprise after coming.
Surprise, what do you mean?
Surprise.
Oh, that sounds interesting.
I've got no wellies, had I? So I went upstairs and the wife's wellies, what she just recently bought, I thought I'll bring them.
My mum's?
Yeah. I thought I'll bring them, put them on and do it. Because there's only Andy got a purse, so I need to get in with him, don't I?
Are they going to fit you?
Well, they're a tight squeeze, but tags are still on. So
We're alright here now. Pinching mum's wellies?
I know, we need it. So what I'm going to do is use them on here and then clean them all down. She'll never know. She'll never know. Honestly.
Welly stealer.
Hey, they're a funny colour too. You'll have a laugh when you see them.
So we're just being friendly to the concrete barriers. We've screwed that in place.
It's solid.
Stirred it and then made a little ramp. There we go. Yes, he's got his float out, ready for finishing off.
Oh yes.
What's them? Oh my gosh. What the heck?
Oh, that's wellies. I can take the tags off. She'll never know.
Right, mate.
How are you?
Alright.
Yeah, good. It's a little in.
Yeah, not.
Shit, oh, look at them bad boys, shiny ones as well. They're not fit you them, What's this, about 1.4ish?
I think so, mate, something like that. I don't know what he's ordered, but it might be a little bit deeper.
Bit of influence, spirit, it'll be
Around there, won't it?
It'll be right, mate, no worries.
We'll make it right. Oh my, what the heck are them? KC, you want sacking?
Oh!
Oh, look at them. Wait. Price tag, keep that price tag on. I mean, suits you, sir.
Suits you, sir.
Hey, you've even got hand on hip and everything.
Hey.
KC's new boot. Is he an art chief labourer? Look at this.
What? What wellies?
Let's go! It's here. Down there. Where's them wellies?
Oh, beautiful.
Them wellies tested out.
Beautiful. Waterproof.
So you'll have to do some tap dancing in a minute. Get them new wellies going, KC. Hey, what about jump round? Only one on that. Oh, I love with that. I can't believe it. Pop it. Three more.
Yeah.
Couple or three. You know your stuff, boys. You know your stuff. Right, well, don't give it a tap then. I'll just say hello with it. It's a lawsuit. Yeah, I know. I can see it. Well, why don't you drag some that way? I'm pointing the finger for a change.
Over it. Oh, my wellies.
Better clean them wellies before you take them back.
Oh, no. Straight, man.
You want some there, yeah?
See if we take it back.
That's right.
That's one of our second week.
Do you want to finger that and have a scrape or something?
What? That way. Alright. That's the one there. Not used to it.
Take it back. Take it back to there.
Back. All that way, Claire.
Yeah.
Check it out. Over that.
Was it all soon, yeah? Have you ever
Scissor in there?
Yeah. Yeah, go bring it towards that way, mate. You carry on round there, because then you can slip along there.
A bit low. We're jumping up. We're jumping
Well,
up.
scissor from there, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Touch it middle there.
Yeah. Right now, we'll scrape that little bird down here, Dad. Oh, that's out, go towards me. We'll get the lead up, shoes going. Hey!
Yeah, nice, isn't it?
Oh, they're the business, isn't they?
Right there.
What do you do with them? Couldn't you?
That fair?
Yeah.
Take that. That's all right. Nice one, mate.
No problem.
£3,582.
I can pay that if you want.
Not one for the rest, though. That's what I was at before I recorded them.
Right, lads. Thanks very much. Take it easy. See you soon.
Thank you.
Household name.
Embarrass me, you
Household name. So we just drag it, yeah?
Yeah, just rub it. That's scissor action like that.
That's it.
Well, make sure you keep flat to that, to the plastic.
Yeah.
You come along with
When
it.
it's more a bit faster,
That's it, and then you've got to keep up with me and just straight in like that.
That's it.
There you go, mate.
What's the trailers? Not very good old ones these. No trailers and Nike. So right, coming across that.
And then we can just go over edge with that, and then just get it off over like that. There you go, mate.
Yeah.
Beautiful, that.
Oh, have you squeezed him in?
No, she's 8.
Yeah, man, I am.
Yes, she has 8. And I'm going to clean them all up and put them back. It's the only automatic.
Christmas present, this.
She'll never know though, Sue.
Right, it should be come up too.
She'll never know because I've left sticker on.
Oh, yeah. Go on,
It
then.
will.
Right, turn round. No, dark a bit.
Try and get some hot boots and not me. Back, Stu.
Hang on, keep it still then, blooming heck.
Come on.
Get that back heel round there.
I'm having a shower here.
Twist and shout. Way.
Come here.
Right, no, I need you turn round.
Did you like Monica's cake?
Oh,
Yes.
My mum's made that.
Super duper.
super duper.
Well, I tried a bit.
I'll make sure there's some more here for next week.
Right, there you go. She'll never know.
She'll never know,
as
will
good
she?
as new.
Right, we're just setting off.
Signing out. We have got that job done now. Nice and bonny. Casey's got to take his home.
Clean them all up, polish them all up.
Put them back in the position.
So she doesn't know. So, hey, they've come in them too, they were nice and comfy. Couldn't have done the job without them, could we?
No.
So I hope you all enjoy the video and see you in the next one.